Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a social security number in Portugal online. This crucial number, known as the NIS, is vital for anyone planning to work or access social benefits in Portugal. The entire application process is digital, making it convenient and efficient. You will primarily use the official Segurança Social Direita portal to submit your request. Before starting your online application, gather several key documents. You'll need your Portuguese NIF or tax identification number. A valid identification document, such as your passport or residence permit, is also essential. Additionally, prepare proof of your address in Portugal, like a utility bill, and documentation confirming your employment or self-employment status. Once your documents are ready, navigate to the Segurança Social Direita portal. If you don't have an account, you'll need to register first. Then, locate and accurately fill out the NIS application form with your personal details. Carefully upload all your supporting documents, often as a single PDF file. After reviewing everything, submit your application digitally through the portal. After submitting your application, you will receive updates and confirmation directly through the Segurança Social Direita portal or via email. Your NIS, the Social Security Identification Number, will then be issued digitally, allowing you to access various social services and benefits. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.